There's a huge explosion somewhere. Wait. Where is it? Oh, I just saw it. It's over there.
You'll be able to see it.
There it is. Yeah, I'm losing.
Okay, as soon as we hit Preston, you'll be able to see it.
Alright. Huge explosion in Kentucky. Yeah, right there. Wow. Wow. Here in Kentucky, there are huge fires. What the heck? Yeah, you can barely even see it still. You can barely.
What?
You can barely see it.
You'll be able to see it in a minute.
Go, what? Oh, there we go. We can see. Oh my. Are we heading towards it?
Yeah.
Oh, great heavens. Yeah, alright.